In a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and lush forests, there lived a humble priest named Father Gregory. He was beloved by his parishioners for his kindness, wisdom, and unwavering faith. However, Father Gregory harbored a secret dream that he had never shared with anyone. Each night, as he knelt in prayer, he dreamt of building a grand sanctuary where people from all walks of life could come together to seek solace, find peace, and strengthen their spirits. This sanctuary, in his vision, was a place of unmatched beauty, with towering stained glass windows, intricate carvings, and gardens blooming with vibrant flowers. But in reality, Father Gregory's small church was old and worn, and the village was too poor to fund such an ambitious project. Despite the seeming impossibility of his dream, Father Gregory held on to it tightly. He believed that if it was God's will, a way would be found. He began sharing his vision with his congregation during his sermons, speaking passionately about the sanctuary and what it could mean for their community. His words stirred something in the hearts of the villagers, and soon they too began to dream of the sanctuary. One day a stranger arrived in the village. He was an architect named Marcus who had been traveling through the region in search of inspiration for his work. Intrigued by the stories he heard about Father Gregory's dream, he decided to visit the priest. As he listened to Father Gregory speak about the sanctuary, Marcus felt a deep sense of purpose awaken within him. He offered his services free of charge, vowing to design the sanctuary exactly as Father Gregory had envisioned. Word of the project spread, and soon donations began to pour in from neighboring villages and towns. People contributed whatever they could: money, materials, labor, and even prayers. The village became a bustling hub of activity as everyone pitched in to help build the sanctuary. Months turned into years, and the once seemingly impossible dream began to take shape. The villagers worked tirelessly, driven by the hope and inspiration that Father Gregory had instilled in them. The sanctuary rose from the ground, its walls adorned with beautiful carvings, its windows sparkling with colorful glass, and its gardens blooming with life. On the day of the grand opening, the village was filled with joy and anticipation. People from far and wide gathered to witness the realization of Father Gregory's dream. As the sun set, casting a warm glow over the sanctuary, Father Gregory stood before the congregation, his heart full of gratitude. "Today we stand in the midst of a miracle," he said, his voice trembling with emotion. "This sanctuary is not just a building, it is a testament to the power of faith, the strength of community, and the beauty of dreaming. Let it remind us that no dream is too big, no obstacle." The sanctuary became a beacon of hope, a place where people came to find peace, seek guidance, and strengthen their spirits. And Father Gregory, the dreaming priest, continued to inspire others with his unwavering faith and the story of how a humble dream transformed a village. In the end, the sanctuary stood not just as a symbol of Father Gregory's dream, but as a testament to the enduring power of hope, faith, and the collective spirit of a community united by a common vision.